Hello guys, welcome to Kutech GB. Today I'm about to be revealing an app that allows you to watch your favorite YouTube channels and also making money just for watching video. So all you need to do is to go to the Play Store. Click on the search button and type TTV, which is TTV. The app will be in the description below. I will put a link in the description below, so you just have to come and click TTV. It will take you here. You can see TTV. The app is paying. It's really paying some cryptocurrency, so it's a cryptocurrency app. So also we have 4.3 rating, and also it does pay. So please, I I put on video every day on how to make money online, how to make paper money, how to make money from crypto. So if you do love my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post my new video. So let's dive into the app I will be talking about. So let's go to TTV. So TTV is an app that pays you for watching video. So all you need to do is to watch your favorite video and you get paid. So I have let's go to my balance. So I have 737 TTV. I cash out from this app long ago before I stopped using my phone, so I decided to install the app back. So the app is still paying. So I have 737 coins for this app. So all you need to do is, first of all, you just have to click your favorite video. So it pays you some coins every 6.36% watch time. I don't know if I get that right, but I believe that's so. You have watched from every video. So let's see, I have 7.37 right now. So let's click on one of these video. You can click on any video you want, so you can watch any video of your choice as long as you are ready to watch any video, entertainment, sports, or etc. This app pays, and this app is 100% legit. I have tried it and also it pays me. So
Shut up. What are you doing? Oh no, this looks so bad. Oh my, what did she do?
I popped through the screen, idiot.
What are you doing here?
I'm your bleached nightmare.
Oh my god.
Yes, how does it look?
Is this?
you can see, just wait for it. Sorry guys. My coin will, yes, you see it started accumulating. It accumulates. That's exactly how it accumulates. So you can see earns 6.5% interest. So the more you watch, the more you earn. So you can select any of all these up here. You can select any of all these video. Sorry, it's not an app, it's video. So you can select anyone you want to watch. You can just come, click on any of all these video.
Welcome everybody to the first presidential H3 podcast, sponsored by Honey and Quip. Today our guest is Andrew Yang, who is running as the Democratic presidential candidate. Did I say that right?
Yeah, that's spot on.
Yeah, good. Because I don't want to, you're running to be the candidate. It's a whole thing.
If you get my intro wrong, then by presidential decree, I will not. I'm kidding.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Guys, if you hear anything you like here today with Andrew, head on over to yang2020.com to donate and help support the campaign. I know that you're short on time. We have like an hour and a half, something like that. So I'm going to keep it flowing. I'm going to keep it going. And I want to get this out of the way. I have one.
So that was exactly how it worked. He plays some videos, from the YouTube. So you can also get money, much money from watching some ads. You can click on reward video. Anytime you watch a reward video, such as for example a advert display on your phone, you can be able to earn more money, and also you can refer people to the system and earn $200,000 per refer. Now, and also you can be able to download games and earn 720,000 coins. So this app is free, everything here is legit, so there is a lot of things to do. So if you want to withdraw your point, the minimum withdrawal of point is 50,000 points. So when it's up to 50,000 points, you come down here and redeem your points. So once you redeem, it turns to 50 TTV. So on my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw and convert your TTV into BTC or any other coin you wish to. So if you do love this video, please like and drop a comment so to support. Thank you, and do have a wonderful day.